Okay, good morning students. My name is N. Srinivasul Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Kalvakurti. Okay, today is discussed about differential equations. It is second chapter, differential equation of first order but not first degree. Learning objectives. Differential equation of first order but not first degree. Equation solvable for P, equation solvable for Y, and equation solvable for X. Equation that do not contain X or Y, equations homogeneous in X and Y, and equations of first degree in X and Y. Last one topic is Clairaut's equation. Okay, today we discuss about equation solvable for P, some problems. First problem, solve P square minus 7P plus 12 equal to 0. The question is very important and easy. Okay, the given differential equation is P square minus 7P plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, here 12 is constant. Factors you find 12 equal to 3 into 4 and 3 into 4 12 and minus 3 into minus 4. I will take minus 3 into minus 4. Okay, minus 7 we get. Okay, P square minus 4P minus 3P plus 12 equal to 0. I will take first 2 common and last 2 common. First 2 P square minus 4P is there. P I will take common. P into P minus 4 minus I will take last 2 minus 3 common. Minus 3 into P minus 4 is there. P minus 4 into P minus 3 equal to 0. AB equal to 0, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. P minus 4 equal to 0 or P minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, consider P minus 4 equal to 0. You know, in this chapter, P equal to dy by dx. dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 4. You know, cross multiply dy equal to 4 into dx. Here differentiation is there. You take both side integrating on both sides. Integrating of dy equal to 4 into integrating of dx. You know, derivation integration cancel. Left hand side y equal to 4 into integration of dx mean x plus c. Therefore, 4 minus y minus 4x minus c equal to 0. Okay, and again consider p minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, p equal to dy by dx na. dy by dx equal to 3. Cross multiply dy equal to 3 into dx. Here differentiation is there. You delete, eliminate differentiation. You take integrating on both sides. Integrating of dy equal to 3 into dx. Integrating of dx. Okay, integrating of dy mean y and equal to 3 into integration of dx is equal to x plus c. Therefore, y minus 3x minus c equal to 0. Therefore, final the solution is above equation is y minus 4x minus c equal to 0. Okay, and again the equation is y minus 3x minus c equal to 0. Therefore, the solution is y minus 4x minus c comma y minus 3x minus c equal to 0. Okay, first problem is over. Next to second problem. Solve p equal to log of px minus y. Okay, this problem is also important and easy. You do careful. The given equation is p equal to log of px minus y. Put equation 1. You know logarithm formula e power p equal to px minus y. Therefore, y equal to px minus e power p. Differentiating above equation with respect to x. Differentiate above equation with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to p plus x into, you know, px mean uv method. You do p same as you write and x goes to 1. P plus x same you write and p differentiate p mean dp by dx minus e power p differentiate e power p into dp by dx. dp by dx. Okay student, differentiate above equation with respect to x. You know above equation is what? Y equal to px minus e power p. Y mean dy by dx equal to px mean uv method, p into x mean 1, differentiate with respect to x 1 plus x same you write and p differentiate with respect to x dp by dx minus e power p differentiate with respect to x e power p and again p differentiate with respect to x dp by dx. Okay, you know in this topic dy by dx mean p. P equal to p plus, you take dp by dx common, okay, x minus e power p into dp by dx. Okay, I will take left side p minus p, okay, equal to x minus e power p into dp by dx. Okay, here pp get cancelled, 0. Okay, left side I will write, right side term is left side dp by dx into x minus e power p equal to 0. You know ab equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. I will write dp by dx into x minus e power p equal to 0 na. Okay, dp by dx is equal to 0 or x minus e power p equal to 0. Okay, eliminate x minus e power p equal to 0. Okay, I will take only dp by dx equal to 0. Cross multiply. Okay, dp equal to 0 into dx. Therefore, dp equal to 0. Okay, integrating on both sides we get. Okay, integrating of dp equal to integrating of 0. Okay, integrating of dp, dp mean differentiate of p. Okay, differentiate integration cancel, you know, p equal to integrating of 0 equal to c. Okay, therefore we get what? P equal to c. Okay, substituting equation 2 in equation 1, p value c is there, you substituting in a given equation. Okay, we get, okay, c equal to, above equation 1 is what? Y equal to px minus e power p na. Okay, this p value c equal to substituting in equation 1. Therefore, c equal to px mean cx, okay, minus e power c. Therefore, c equal to log of cx minus y. Therefore, the solution is c equal to log of cx minus y. Okay, second problem is over. Okay, very careful, and next we discuss about another problem. Okay, these two problems over short questions. Okay, this question is, next question is essay question. Okay, very careful we do. solve differential equation p minus xy into p minus x square into p minus y square equal to 0. Given differential equation is solution. Given differential equation is p minus xy into p minus x square into p minus y square equal to 0. Okay, you know, in this method comparing what a into b into c equal to 0. A into b into c equal to 0. A equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or c equal to 0. Same as I will write p minus xy equal to 0 or p minus x square equal to 0 or p minus y square equal to 0. Consider p minus xy equal to 0, p minus xy equal to 0. First equation I will take. Okay, p minus xy equal to 0. In this topic, p equal to, I will write dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx minus xy equal to 0 is implies dy by dx equal to x minus y. Okay, dy cross multiply dy by y equal to x into dx. Same terms. Variable separable method, using variable separable method dy by dy equal to x into dx. Here differentiate is there both side, left side, right side. I will take integrating on both side. Integrating on both side we get integrating of dy by y equal to integrating of x dx. We know one formula is there, dy by y equal to dy by y equal to log y, dy by y equal to log y. Okay, equal to integrating of x dx, x mean x square by 2, x square by 2 plus c. Okay, log y minus left side moving x square by 2 minus x square by 2 and plus c is also moving left side minus c equal to 0. Put equation 2, 1, 2, above equations 1, 2, 3. 1 is p minus xy equal to 0, 2 is p minus x square equal to 0 and 3 is p minus y square equal to 0. Here equation is fourth. Fourth is log y minus x square by 2 minus c equal to 0. Okay, next to continue. Equation 2 implies what? P minus x square equal to 0. P minus x square equal to 0. You know, P equal to dy by dx. P equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to what? Minus x square equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x square. You know, variable separable method. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, dy equal to x square into dx. Here differentiate is there. Differentiate is both side there. I will take integrating of dy equal to integrating of x square dx. Integrating of x square dx. Okay. Okay, integrating of dy mean y equal to integrating of x square dx mean x cube by 3 plus c. Therefore y equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Therefore, y equal to y minus x cube by 3 minus c equal to 0. You put to equation 5th. Okay, consider 3 equation. 3 implies p minus y square equal to 0. P minus y square equal to 0. In this topic, p equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to y square. And variable separable method we get. Use variable separable method. We use and dy by y square equal to dx. Same terms, okay. I will write same terms, same time, side, okay. Here differentiate is there, I will take integrating on both sides, okay. Integrating of dy by y square equal to integrating of dx, integrating of dy by y square equal to integrating of dx, okay. You know integrating of 1 by y square is equal to 1 by y, dy by y square mean minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y equal to integrating of dx mean x plus c. Therefore, x plus 1 by y plus c equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 by y plus c equal to 0. Put equation 6th. Therefore, the general solution is equation 4 and 5th and 6th you club. Okay. The general solution is log y minus x square by 2 minus c into y minus x cube by 3 minus c into x plus 1 by y plus c equal to 0. Okay. This problem is over, same as you do. Okay, students. Next problem, fourth problem. Solve essay question. This goes to y p square plus x minus y into p minus x equal to 0. Here this question is solvable for p. Okay, the given differential equation is y p square plus x minus y into p minus x equal to 0. Okay, the above equation is quadratic in p. Okay, we know one formula is there, m equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, once again I will tell, m equal to the roots, you find roots, m equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by divided by 2a. Okay, in this same problem, quadratic equation in p here, okay, comparing what a equal to y and b equal to y x minus y, and c equal to minus x. Okay, once again, a equal to y and b equal to x minus y, here c equal to minus x. Okay, in this value substituting above formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, therefore quadratic in p here, okay, p equal to I will write p equal to minus b minus x minus y plus or minus under root of b square mean x minus y whole square minus 4 into a y c minus x divided by 2 into a y. Okay, next step, p equal to minus of x minus y plus or minus under root of x minus y whole square plus minus into minus plus 4xy by 2a. Okay, again implies p equal to minus of x minus y plus or minus under root of, you know this formula is there, x minus y whole square plus 4xy. X minus y whole square mean x square plus y square minus 2xy. Here 4xy is there. Therefore, x square plus y square under root of x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. Therefore, p equal to minus of x minus y plus or minus under root of x plus y whole square by 2y. Therefore, p equal to minus of x minus y plus or minus root square cancel, we get x plus y by 2a. Okay, here plus or minus is there. I will write one time plus, another time y. Okay, okay, one time plus, another time minus. Okay, p equal to minus of x minus y plus x plus y by 2a, or p equal to minus of x minus y minus x minus y by 2a. Okay, p equal to minus, substitute under multiplication under bracket. Okay, minus x minus into minus plus y plus xy, okay, by 2y, or p equal to minus x minus into minus plus y minus x minus into minus plus y. Okay, therefore p equal to, here minus x plus x cancel, y plus y 2y, 2y by 2y, 2y get cancel, therefore p equal to 1, or p equal to, here y get cancel, minus 2x by 2y, here 2 get cancel, p equal to minus x by y. Okay, consider, I will take one equation, put to given equation 1, and here p equal to 1 equation 2, and p equal to, or p equal to minus x by y is there, 3 equation 3. Okay, p equal to, consider p equal to 1, I will take p mean dy by dx, dy by dx equal to 1, you know, cross multiply dy equal to dx. Here differentiate is there. I will take integrating on both sides, integrating of dy equal to integrating of dx. Okay, derivation integration cancel, y equal to integrating of dx x plus c. Therefore, y minus x minus c equal to 0. Y minus x minus c equal to 0, put to equation 4th. Okay, next again equation 3 I will take, consider, again consider p equal to minus x by y, you know, p equal to dy by dx equal to minus x by y, therefore y dy equal to minus x dx, minus x dx. Okay, integrating on both sides, integrating of y dy equal to minus of integrating of x dx. Okay, integrating of y square by 2 equal to minus integrating of x dx, x square by 2 plus c. Okay, y square, I will take LCM of 2, y square equal to minus x square plus 2 into c, 2c. Okay, therefore x square plus y square minus 2c equal to 0. Put equation 5th. Okay, okay, and 4th and 5th clubbing solution we get. Okay, the general solution is y minus x minus c into x square plus y square minus 2c equal to 0. Okay, all problems in the chapter same we do. Okay, students, another problem. Solve x square plus x square p cube plus y into 1 plus x square y into p square plus y cube p equal to 0. Okay, this goes to important problem and essay question. We do careful. The given differential equation is x square p cube plus y into 1 plus x square y into p square plus y cube p equal to 0. Therefore, I will take common p into x square p square plus y into 1 plus x square y into p plus y cube equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, p I will take common p into x square p square plus py plus p x square y square plus y cube equal to 0. Therefore, p into x square p plus y into p plus y square equal to 0. Okay. P into x square p plus y into p plus y square equal to 0. We know one formula is there, ABC ABC equal to 0, A equal to 0, B equal to 0 or C equal to 0. Given equation is 1, here equation is 2. Consider A equal to 0, here P equal to 0, B equal to 0, x square p plus y equal to 0, or equation here 3, p plus y square equal to 0, equation 4. Okay. Consider equation 2 implies p equal to 0. You know p equal to what, right? Dy by dx equal to 0. Cross multiply. Okay. Variable separable method. Okay. Dy equal to 0 into dx mean 0. Therefore, dy equal to 0. Dy equal to 0. Okay. Integrating of dy equal to integrating of 0. Integrating derivation cancel. Okay. Y equal to integrating of 0 equal to c. Therefore, y equal to c. Again, consider, therefore, y minus c equal to 0. One solution is we get. Next to again consider okay students, again consider x square p plus y equal to 0. Therefore, x square into p mean dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Dy by dx plus y by x square equal to 0. The above equation is a linear differential equation. The above equation is linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Compare and we get p equal to 1 by x square and q equal to 0. We know integral factor. First we find integral factor equal to e power integrating of p dx. E power integrating of p mean 1 by x square dx. Okay. E power integrating of 1 by x square dx means minus 1 by x. Therefore, we get integral factor is e power minus 1 by x. Okay, the general solution of dy by dx plus y by x square equal to 0 na. Okay, general solution is y into if equal to integrating of q into if dx plus c. This formula is very important. Okay, what formula? Y into if mean integral factor equal to integrating of q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay, continue step. Y into integral factor is e power minus 1 by x equal to integrating of 0 into q mean 0 into e power minus 1 by x dx plus c. Therefore, y into e power minus 1 by x equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, y into e power minus 1 by x plus c, here left side meaning minus c equal to 0. We get another solution. Okay, next again consider p plus y square equal to 0. Again consider p plus y square equal to 0. dy by p mean dy by dx plus y square equal to 0. Okay, I will take separable variable method I will use. Okay, dy by dx is equal to minus y square. You know, dy by y square equal to minus dx. Here differentiate is there. I will take integrating both sides on both sides. Okay, integrating of dy by y square equal to minus integrating of dx. Okay, integrating of dy by y square is nothing but minus 1 by y equal to minus integrating of dx x plus c. Therefore, minus 1 equal to minus xy plus cy. Therefore, xy minus cy minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, again we find another solution. Complete. Therefore, the general solution of the given differential equation is y minus c in comma y minus c comma y into e power minus 1 by x minus c comma xy minus cy minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, in this topic solvable for y, same this type of problems same we do. Okay, thank you all of you.